How are you feeling?
Really nervous or excited. I'm excited. Just
Well, you look beautiful.
thank you.
We're holding on through all the years. Looking back brings me to tears. Oh.
Noah and Elizabeth, in just a few minutes, you will publicly declare your love one to another. And just moments after that, you will indeed be husband and wife. And from this day forward, the date, May the 4th, will always have a special meaning for you as the day that you vow to love and cherish each other in all your ways for all your days.
Even on my darkest days, I know that you will never change. Oh,
I, Noah,
I, Noah,
take you, Elizabeth,
take you, Elizabeth,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I, Elizabeth,
I, Elizabeth,
take you, Noah,
take you, Noah,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
To have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
I will love you the same.
Their family and friends, and by their promises to one another, I, as a minister of the Word of God, and according to the state of Oklahoma, am proud to pronounce you husband and wife. Noah, you may kiss your bride.